Now we're going to go back and talk for just a minute about how the two of you got together. Now you're a student at Utah State. You graduated, I think, from the University of Utah.
University of Utah.
Okay, so there's some distance between you. How did you get together?
It's a great story.
Good.
I was out shopping for a wedding gift for a friend who I'd been very close with at the University of Utah. And I wanted something special, and I had in mind mugs. You know, that's not special to anybody else but me. And so I went to the Paris department store to obtain some mugs as a gift. And I had this beautiful, wonderful, cheerful sales clerk. And guess who it was? It was Rosemary. Excuse me, Sister Wixom.
So sometimes he'll say, we met in Paris. We did. The Paris department store.
Always gets a good laugh. But anyway, she was working there, and we talked for a long time. She finally told me where to go get the mugs. So I went down, and Pearson's got the mugs. And I was walking down the hall, and I said to myself, and I think it was the Spirit's prompting, I know it was, you would be absolutely crazy if you didn't ask her to go home. So I walked back up to the Paris department store, 3rd floor, and said, Rosemary, we've talked. Would you ride home with me? She said, I'll ask my mother. I thought, wow.
There's more to that. My mother was going to pick me up. And so, of course, I just called. But I knew from our conversation that Jack knew my brother Jeff well, and I knew he was a returned missionary, and I could see a light. And of course, I wanted to get to know this handsome man that just came into the Paris department store. So we did go home that night, rode home together, and it began a courtship of that summer. Then he left to go away to graduate school, and I went back to Utah State. So we have boxes of letters that we wrote for that next year. And it was way before emails and couldn't afford phone calls.
Couldn't afford them.
So they're in the form of letters. And
Treasures.
their choice. Treasures, real treasures.
Absolute treasures.
We were married the following August.
Wow, so about a year and a couple of months, maybe, that you were together. And you've got 6 wonderful children. And
Yes.